Radyo Tiradpas.
Wow, wow, wow. Naibaga malamyumanan, gagayam. Very sunny day. Yung nalamiis ti panyan po na at puloy ti angin. Kumusta kayo manan, abo? At yung manang yan tayo kakaduang aro dito malam, dito yung programa tayo, Music and Memories. May sa programa, apakaitampukan, nagiti all-time favorite love songs of yesteryears. Kaya pag-relaxan tayo nga kang kanta ko na tayo, nabayagan nga tayo mga ganagiti, awandan. Kaya matuwing tayo biyagan ni Dapabay ni Tirito yung programa tayo. So stay put, relax and enjoy. Ito mo rin nga kadwa tayo iti DCTP Radio Tiradpas. Alex Molina, iti met DCTP, Digital TV can YouTube. John Gumintong, can Jo Marie Habab. Well, of course, sa timanan do'y piloto yo, pagayam yo itirangatang ken karagiti lang langalang. Your dear Manong June. And so, tingaro dagiti initial songs, love songs from the past.
You're closer to me than the shore is to the waves of the sea, than a leaf is to a bough of a tree. Oh, my love, no one else can be closer to me. You're closer by far than a moonbeam to the light of a star, than your laughter to the place where you are. Oh, my love, stay as close, ever closer to me. Every day, let me be closer to you, far away. I couldn't live a day through, though they say people in love can be blind. With every new moment I find you're closer to me than a bird is to the air as it flies, than the tears are to a child when it cries. And when I see the sky high above, then I pray that as close as we grow, we will show to the world that we know just how close we can be. Now we've found true love. And I pray that as close as we grow, we will show to the world that we know just how close we can be. Now we found true
And now the end is near, and so I face final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Yes, it was my way.
Iti panang irogi kadagitoy nga produkto ket gapo iti tagtaga inop nga nakita dagiti nangaramat nga saan nga mamo nga bababae kas kadalang lalaki ket tinaramid ko dagitoy gapo ta kahit nga makita dagiti nang usar ket isumet ti tao gayam ti mangusar so ti nakairog yana dagiti nga kwa nga panakaaramid na. Nagito inspirasyon dagito tapno ado ti mang ammo tapno umayda ta isupay ang kwa pang sapulan. Dati kahit nga saon dagito ta no mausar ka dagiti pagpaboya ket makita met ti pagsayaatan na ken ibongan na. No dagito ket tapno saan nga mapukaw no ada dagiti mayat nga mangsoro umay dalata ket may soro kadakwada sa kaminto agsasarita no kasano ti kastada nga agaramid dapay dagiti daduma nga produkto kas kumakadagiti kasay kas kada sulibaw tamar aramat ngamin dagito iti entertainment uno pagpiesta uno na duma-duma nga pagpabuya ang kwakas kasigodan dagiti IP ano dagiti disenyo ado no dagiti makikita dito dragon kaskada bilit mabalin mo dagito belt bags dagito backpacks kaskada dumapay nga makunang pasit dagiti laga oray anya nga disenyo kabailan dagito nga pataudin. Ay katuan apo no dagiti makakita ay siwawaya kayo latang awison tayo numutibiyang ta danunin dagito no adag kasapulan.
Healthy habits para sa healthy Pilipinas. Nang magulat sa kumakalat, matay inulat sa tamang ulat. Dapat babakunahan na, mahalaga na bata pa kahit matatanda. Bakuna muna, una sa lahat. Yeah! Do it na yan! Kalusugan ay unahin at mamanahin ng mamamayan. Ay healthy Pilipinas, malakas sa magandang bukas. Ang bawat Pilipino sa mundo, sa ulado ng pitong ito. Sa healthy habits ko na go. Para sa healthy Pilipinas.
lalaki ako, dahil si ama ti balbalay, dahil kuma ako, ti asawa tayo. Dahil original nga asawa tayo ako
Ket dayjay maited kanyada ket bilang na po dayjay kaslan na trabahuan dati 10 days nga minimum wage. So dayjay maawat da so makatulong maten iti kasapulan dati babalay da.
Dengan sublianan di programa rin yung Music and Memories. Kumusta manan ka na kita yung late tuners? And of course, kada kita medical frontliners, sa di naman manante, anyon yaman manan na kita yung kay aramidan sa palawamata na salun at kayo kanayon. Tapno kanayon man kada mga iwan kada kiti masakit nga dapat lang kada kiti balay pagagasan. Ha? Kumusta mo kada kita adda nga papalaing, papaimbag kada kiti babalay da. Ala, sa pala kung matumimbag kay matan niya. Tapno makapagdakiwas tayo man nga libre. O, nagiti agasyo Karamraman nyo ti Pitu-Pitu Plus Herbal Capsule. Tapno ti kasta mas mabisa pa. Ita nga tumtumaran nyo nga agas. Ito'y Pitu-Pitu Plus Herbal Capsule. May isang food supplement na ito po niya. Kasta mo ka nagiti kapulisan tayo kasuldaduan. Sa di naman mananti ayan nyo. Agdang-dang dito yung programa tayo. Sumusta mo na kita'y kakabsat nga datanay Bugbuga, Santa Cruz. Di mahilig ti love songs. Tapay balon na gitara no kanya. And of course, kadagiti OFW, sa di naman manan tiyan ayan yumat, sabay lang kumata na talgad matanda ka sa sadyo. Agramanan nagiti pamilyayo. Nagiti senior citizens ka nagiti soon will be. Kumusta kay amin? Nawanti masakit apo. Bawal ang magkasakit. Kunada. Tapno naragragsak malatin aldaw-aldaw. Apa nagbiag. Kasi din ako nakita ay lilipatan. Ngayon dito yung food supplement. Kamawagan dito yung Pitu-Pitu Plus Herbal Capsule. Niya. Dada ito iti protection tayo iti naldaw-aldaw. Kastamutan masolusyonan, solusyonan iti problema tayo iti bagbagi. Iti sumbrek nga saksakit. Ito'y Pitu-Pitu Plus Herbal Capsule. Kaya't na kayo pamaysaan nagiti 8 herbal plant extracts. Nagito'y nagiti traditional medicinal plants kinususar nagiti nagkaw ng manggagas. Proven effective so nga naprobaran di Food and Drug Administration. May waras, may lako kadagiti pagtagilakwan nga butika. Kaya nagita dumapay nga mabalin nga glako. So nga nabirtud. Aprobado. Dapat niya Pitu-Pitu Plus Herbal Coffee tayo po. Herbal oil. Pitu-Pitu Plus mo lang. Kumusta ni Tata Erming Belio dita Salcedo, Ilocos Sur? Kumusta ka na, Tata? Tanda mo lang bati daking ka. Pito-pito. Ano pigsapay mo lang ni Tangarming niya, di nakita kami di ko. Na minsan nga nakapasyarmat na tao sa Jay Salcedo, Jayenda. And then nalamikin ni ading kong Amor. Yan. Takbay nga na pan di America. Kumusta ka ta ading ko? And kasama ni Jason and ni Shaina. Kasama kin ni Uncle Bining, Roldan. Kaya po yung ni Rosa, sikatan ni Jay America. So the Jay, kunadang drum mayor, leader, ti may isang banda. National champion ti football gayam iti Indiana University IU ita America number 1 champion na. Congratulations ni Beth Roldan McMahon kasama kin ni Randall. Kumusta yung si Keith ni Rosa di anak na talagang patatan celebrity. Filipina. Nagtao ti kandun niya po. From the Roldan family. sa dinod to, San Nicolas. Ayaw. Kinangkal bining ka dajay amgid. Ya po na niya ka niya. Aha, may pagpanakal. And so, kagayam, dahil tangarod ti narapat mo lang ang tumaran tayo, nainayon nga tumaran tayo, tinaldawal daw, pito-pito plus herbal capsule, para katawan ay protektado, kalusugan ay garantisado. Tuloy, at yung nga rin tumarang love quote tayo itang malam, kuna na to'y someday, when pages of my life end, I know that you will be one of its most beautiful chapters. Idinto panawan nga gibos tahina na ito'y abiyag. Amok asikanto ti maysa kadagiti kapipintasan. Apinaset na. Tuloy na karoon kagayam ti munang love quote tayo itang malam dito program mo tayo. Music and Memories.
All this time we've been together, every day a new adventure, time's enough to last forever and a day. Our love was sometimes all we had, through good times and through bad. I loved you all the way. All our days weren't bright and sunny. There were times we had no money. You could always find some funny thing to say. And looking back on where we've been, I'd do it all again. I loved you all the way. I loved you all the way. Every mile, every night, every day. Times I thought I couldn't take it, wondering if we'd ever make it. You could hold me close and make it go away. And though I've said it all before, I never meant it more. I loved you all the way. I loved you all the way.
You ask how much I need you. Must I explain? I need you, oh my darling. of heaven, and that's a long, long time until the 12th of never, and that's a long, long time. That's a long, long time. That's a long, long time.
Our teams who will be competing on Tuesday. Cherry Eagle, Joe Standerman, Choco Mocho, Pedro Lopez. I'd like to welcome you all in Canon City. Thank you to the President, Ricky Palom, for allowing us to host the PDL in Canon City. My warmest greetings to all the teams who are here this afternoon. Welcome to Canon City.
Let's wander Pampanga's culinary scene. Known as the country's culinary capital, Pampanga is a regular stopover for foodies, where culture and cuisine combine into the unique fusion of flavors of vibrant Kapampangan dishes. You can fill up on the colors alone. There's so much to sample, especially when you're in a foodie hotspot like Pampanga. Find more Filipino flavors in your next virtual tour.
Ngayong hapon, binibigyan natin ng parangal ang ating makukulay na float at festival performances noong nakaraang araw ng kalayaan. Dahil ang bagong Pilipinas ay hindi lang tungkol sa pagsulong. Ito rin ay ang pag-aalala at pagbibigay halaga sa ating pinanggalingan. Your creativity, your passion, the spirit that brings depth and meaning to who we are as a nation. Kaya't saludo ako sa inyong lahat. I hope that the spark that you have within you to join these kinds of festivities, that it will never leave. It will never leave your heart, and it will never leave your creative spirit. Because we are not just preserving our culture when we do this. We preserve it for the next generation, but more so, we are living our culture. We are living it proudly and joyfully and meaningfully. Ipakita natin na tayo ang tagapagmana ng tapang, talino at malasakit ng ating mga ninuno. Tayo ang mga bagong Pilipino. Katulad nila, may disiplina, may husay, may panindigan ipaglaban ang kinabukasan ang ating inang bayan.
Well, integrado sublian di programa tayo. Oras alas 2:12. 2:12. Manong Berting Karta, kani manang LC Karta di Luna, Burgos, Ilocos Sur. Kumusta kayo? Nagawid mo lang ni Betsy? Alam, kumusta kay amin dita Luna, Burgos? Kinagidaduma pa ang lugar na paparangay ti Burgos. Kasama dita na sa Dino jay and Jan Dolormente. Patamutan. Well, kanagid birthday tangal dawa po. Happy birthday! Si Elaine Kadag Apit. Kasama natin sa DZRH. Birthday niya ngayon. O yung kaanakan, Kirby Galimba. Dita Kaburaw, Santiago, Ilocos Sur. Ayam mo na kong ni Kagawa Drusi Urbanoso. Iti San Isidro, Candon. Chang, birthday gayam. Happy birthday, Handa nga ta umabot di balay nga binagkal. Ni Teacher Lilibeth Kiyo Saliwan, ni Tanay Sudipan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Lilibeth. Kasama ken ni Marisa Rayray Santolaha. Itay barka-barkada tayo idi. Ano pa ubingak ng isuna. Kaya pasuro ta lang kadakwa na idi. Marisa Rayray Santolaha dita Butol, Santiago, Ilocos Sur. And of course, kada dumapay nga birthday tangal daw. Happy birthday! Kaya kada dumapay mat nga agsel-celebrar no niya mo na gidi. Ingkay laglagi pa na celebrar ni tangal daw. Nangrunan ni anniversary gayam da Sam ken ni Son, ken ni MJ Etrata. Happy anniversary. Happy celebration! Ano, kumusta mo na kita dumapay nga celebrar itangal daw. Sapay lang umata, tiapot at nga manarabay, magipay kada kayo, kada kiti bendisyon, kaya nananay pa sa lunatyo. Bats Juliet Babas Marquez, kinapo Kapitan Romeo and family, kumusta kayo Kalawaan? And of course, si J. America, Rafael Paeng Valdez and family, Amor, ken ni Jason, kasama ken ni Shaina, Maylin Tovera, wala. Okay, ito yung ano din, di may isa pa nga love quote kagayang ko na falling in love with someone you had no intention of falling for is the most beautiful kind of love. No forcing chemistry or trying to save them. Just pure, raw connection created on its own. Nagayata saan na nagagara katisot kapipintasan na klaset ayat. Saan nga nagagara? Saan napilit wenno awan pulos pa ng gandat nga isalba. naata ako nag-show na naramin na uno na bukel. Iti bukod na. And so, dito karon ti may sama na Love Code kagayam. Dito ba lang programa tayo? Music and Memory.
Where do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her along. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be
Love me with all of your heart, that's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you've loved me from the start, with every beat of your heart. that you give me, all your kisses, every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, oh, when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you've loved me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Oh.
Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. Let me hear you whisper that you love me too. Keep the love light glowing in your eyes so true. Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Say you love me too. Keep the love light glowing in your eyes so true. Let me call you sweetheart. I'm in love with you.
Lernal Auto Supply, Furnitures and General Merchandising, aglaku itinalaka ken dekalidad a piyasa dagiti lugan kas kumay ti Toyota, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, Mazda. Puso ken Jeep, aglaku na pa iti aming klase ti baterya kas kumay ti Motolite, Electron, Stallion ken Inner Strength. Ada pa'y pilit a Goodyear, Gaha, India, Thailand ken China tires. Agraman iti interiors da. Ada pa'y mulye ken radiator. Gumatangan pa iti motorcycle parts ken electrical parts at dapay aparador, stante, divider, stroller, double beds ken monoblock chairs at dapay piyesa ti Yanmar ken Kubota ken appliances. Masarakan iti main store Waig Daya, Candon City 077-254-0115. Lerner Branch, San Jose 077-254-0067. Santa Cruz Branch 077-302-0705. Ken Lernal Bodega San Juan, Candon 077-254-0085. Lernal Auto Supply, Furnitures and General Merchandising, kukwa kanimat matunan da Nelson ken Lerma Chua ken dagiti annakda.
ating assistance. So, napanunod, progresa ako with the leadership of House Speaker Martin Romualdez na inugida ng program ng AKAP. So, dati AKAP ako, isa kabarbaro ng programa ng DSWD, at dito ako at dito sa balik na mabalik makaawat ng financial assistance.
Naka-congressman tayo, kastoy, di kalay na.
Dito'y suyo kat iso dati ti payout ti distribution ti cash assistance ng kaput ti DSWD AX. So nung dati nga distribution para di kiti kaputan dati Typhoon Egay, so aming nga victims ti Typhoon Egay. Di naperjat ti Balbalayda. Ada di total damage, damot partial damage. So depende di na submit da nga condition ti Balbalayda, so dati ti maawat da na assistance nga gapu ti DSWD.
Healthy habits para sa healthy Pilipinas. Galaw-galaw baka ma-stroke, like bike, jog, jump, rope. I'm so kumain ng sapat, dapat balance. Kahit pinggang Pinoy, manami, there you have it. Isa sa 7 healthy habits, sundin. Do it na yan. Kalusugan ay unahin at mamanahin ng mamamayan. Ay healthy Pilipinas, malakas sa magandang bukas. Ang bawat Pilipino sa mundo, sa ulan ng pitong ito. Sa healthy habits ko na go.
Move more, eat right, be clean, live sustainably.
Get vaccinated.
Don't smoke, lessen alcohol, say no to drugs.
Care for yourself, care for others. Practice safe sex.
Do no harm. Put safety first.
Do it na yan.
Well, di oras na yun, alas 2:32. Tuloy nga rin di programa tayo. Kumusta? Sunny Boy Tokero, dita ayudante. Siya dati kandun. Anya, tuloy pa mo lang yung panagtumtumar mo iti Pito Plus Herbal Capsule. tini gayem Paul nga guyuden, dita na'y Benguet, dita Montañosa. Oh. Well, gaya, makipag-rig na ito'y numukan na ito'y programa, iti pupusay, iti maisang ipatpatay nga ama. Tata Elisio Pasis. Yan. Ito na'y tamurong, kulang nan ti biyag na iti apo. Condolence iti pamilya Pasis. Emmy ken ni Jerry Digia kita na'y Santa Cruz. Annalyn Pascua, kumusta mat? Ha? Kaila ko tayo dito. Johnny John Dolormente and family. Kanda kiti empleyado na iti Poseidon Bike Shop. Wala, kumusta kay amin? Kelly ken ni Carol Galliano and family. Roger, yan. Well, ito yung arudan kagayam, di may isa pa nga love coat tita malem nagkapukin ni L.E. Bowman. May isang female writer, American. Yeah. But the most important lesson you can learn is that a healthy love does not hurt. The most important lesson that you can learn is that a healthy love does not hurt. Di ka papatgan nga adal, masursuro, katay natarnaw, nasalunat nga yat, saan mangpaspasakit. Okay, natakarod kagayam ti may sapay nga love code ito program of the music and memories. Perry Como for the good times.
Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this old world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft across the window, and make believe you love me one more time for the good times. You'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft across the window. Make believe you love me one more time for the good times, for the good times.
I have been a rover, I have walked alone, hiked 100 highways, never walked alone. Still in all I'm happy, the reason is you see, once in a while along the way, love's been good to me. There was a girl in Denver before the summer storm. Oh, her eyes were tender, oh, her arms were warm, and she could smile away the thunder, kiss away the rain. And even though she's gone away, you won't hear me complain, 'cause I have been a rover, I have walked alone, hiked 100 highways, never found a home. Still in all I'm happy, the reason is you see, once in a while along the way, love's been good to me. There was a girl in Portland before the winter chill. We used to go a-courting along October Hill, and she could laugh away the dark clouds, cry away the snow. It seems like only yesterday as down that road I go. Yes, I have been a rover, oh, I have walked alone, hiked 100 highways, I never did find a home. Still in all I'm happy, the reason is you see, once in a while along the way, love's been good to me.
The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train, and there to meet me
There's my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I awake and look around me at 4 gray walls that surround me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a God and there's a sad old portrait. On and on we'll walk at daybreak. Again I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they'll all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree, as they lay me 'neath the green, green grass of home.
Welcome to this historic and momentous hosting of the National Hip Hop Program for the 2024 National Teachers Month celebration in our beloved Candon City. Indeed, hosting this event is an honor for our teachers, and this is the best opportunity for Candon City to express our thanks to our heroes, our teachers, who are in charge of molding our children.
At Congress have taken this mission to heart. And under the 19th Congress, we have enacted RA 11997, otherwise known as the Kabalikat sa Pagtuturo Act. This act grants all public school teachers a teaching allowance in the amount of 5,000 per teacher for school year 2024 to 2025 and 10,000 per teacher for school year 2025 to 2026 and thereafter.
Let's wander the historic city of Vigan. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of the best preserved Spanish colonial towns in the world. Walk along cobblestone streets of heritage houses and historic attractions dating back to 1500s. Don't forget to take home Ilocano crafts for pasalubong. Travel back in time in Vigan or escape to another world-renowned wonder.
So dito iti commence panang rugi ti panaka-construct na. So nga dalatoy groundbreaking ceremony na naramid kahit nasa awan full blast ti implementation dati panakabangon ti community airport ti Candon City.
Una pong activity natin, embankment, para yung kalsada, pumantay po tayo doon sa kalsada natin. And yung finished product po kasi natin, we have to be even higher than the road elevation.
Dahil karod, subyanan di programa tayo, Music and Memories KM. Kablao man ken ni ading Divina ken ni Kagawad Leonardo Gallardo dita Barangay Kabaritan, Santa Lucia, Ilocos. Ay, okay ni Mang Jeffrey Manang Susan. Kumusta ka tatay? Tartarak na mga uyak. Nasa pala ko mo tayo mimbagan niya. Laya, danglak, and honey. Yan. Pwede na yan. Wala, nayunan pa. Lemon, wino kalamansi. Yan. Bats Lisa Balyas Madhaban, dita Hong Kong. Okay, hintay pa nagtuloy. Ito yung araw din, di may sapay. Love Coat tayo tamalam. Manipud ken ni Jack Kerouac. Yan. Mga American novelist. May isang poet. Kuna na. Be in love with your life every minute of it. Be in love with your life every minute of it. Ipatig mo, tabiyag mo, minuto, ti kada minuto. Okay, dito nga rin may sama na Love Coat kagayem. Dito pala yung programa tayo. At ni Matt Monroe, Portrait of My Love.
There could never be a portrait of my love, for nobody could paint a dream. You will never see a portrait of my love, for miracles are never seen. To try and paint a portrait of my
to wake me in the morning. This was our moment of goodbye. You asked me once how long I'd love you. I told you till the day I die. And now at last my life is over. You cannot go where I have gone. I won't be there to share tomorrow. I love you so, but life goes on. Dry your eyes, rosemary blue. Take a look around, there's a world outside that waits for you. Live your life, rosemary blue. Put your lonely tears away. Wait and see, there'll come a day I'll be with you. To walk the world together and found our love along the way. But now you must go on without me. We cannot live in yesterday. Don't bring your flowers to the church. we're forgetting, wearing those flowers in your hair. Dry your eyes, rosemary blue. Take a look around, there's a world outside that waits for you. Live your life, rosemary blue. Put your lonely tears away. Wait and see, there'll come a day I'll be with you. Rosemary blue, rosemary blue.
Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Sleep tight, my love. May tomorrow be sunny and bright and bring you closer to me. Before you go, please remember I need you so. And this love that I have for you will never grow cold. If you should awake in the still of the night, please have no fear, for I'll be there. You know I care. Please give your love to me, dear, only. Good night, my love. Pleasant dreams. Sleep tight, my love. May tomorrow be sunny and bright and bring you closer to me. Before you go, please remember I need you so. And this love that I have for you will never grow cold. Good night.
Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, the limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who who's so in love with you. I don't even have the lips to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear may just seem so absurd, but deep inside of me is you. You give life to what I do. All those years may see you through. Still I'll be waiting here for you. If you have time, please lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just an ordinary song to a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you.
Original nga asawa tayo ako
Ket dayjay maited kanyada ket bilang na po dayjay kaslan na trabahuan dati 10 days nga minimum wage. So dayati maawat na so makatulong maten iti kasapulan dati babalay da.
Let's wander the roads of Ilocos Norte. The picture-perfect place for a scenic drive where the mountains meet the sea. Drive on up to one of the last Spanish colonial lighthouses of its kind. Enjoy the ride in Ilocos Norte. Or take another trip somewhere else.
Materials for the construction of the sanitary toilets, we have 200 beneficiaries from the 38 barangays apo nga identified.
22 sa ito ay may tata karigiti barangay pagpatrol iti barangay Tanod karigiti barangay kan kasama na katulungan ti barangay karigiti.
Ito yung arunan di mo din paset ti programa tayo, Music and Memories. Ito yung arunan ti mo din Love Coat. Hintay din ka na itama lang. Manipod iti hanya author na, unknown yun. So na happy are those who take life day by day and complain very little things in life. And very little and are thankful for the little things in life. Litek. Happy are those who take life day by day and complain very little and are thankful for the little things in life. Author na unknown. Naragsak dagiti tao akap-kap ni gandan ti adda iti inaldaw da kinagyaman da unay uray basit laeng dagiti dumteng a parabor iti biagda. Mauding a love quote kagayam din kayo nangigan iti programa rayo Music and Memories.
By the time I get to Phoenix, she'll be rising. She'll find the note I left hanging on her door. And she'll laugh when she reads the part that says I'm leaving. 'Cause I've left that girl so many times before. By the time I make Albuquerque, she'll be working. She'll probably stop at lunch and give me a call. But she'll just hear that phone keep on ringing off the wall, and that's all. By the time I make Oklahoma, she'll be sleeping. She'll turn softly and call my name out low. She'll cry just to think I'd really leave her. Though time and time I've tried to tell her so, she just didn't know I would really go. She didn't know I'd leave her.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me, knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Saving all my kisses just for you, signed with love forever true.
Joni was the girl who lives next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Joni wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say.
Joni, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you, signed with love forever true.
Her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain today when I told Joni what I had to say. Joni, Joni, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I am 22. And Joni, I just can't wait for you. Soon I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down. But these words kept haunting my memory, the words that Joni said to me.
Joni, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you, signed with love forever
to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Joni if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door, but things weren't like they were before. My teardrops fell like rain that day when I heard what Joni had to say.
Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend, John.
I'm only human. I'm just a man. Help me to believe in what I can be and all that I am. And show me the stairway that I have to climb. Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Do you remember when you walked among men? Well, Jesus, you know, if you look in below, it's worse now than then. Pushing and shoving, crowding my mind. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone, sweet Jesus, and tomorrow may never be mine. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Yes, for just my sake, teach me to take one day at a time.
Hey, it's wonderful to see you once again, to see you smile and hear you call my name. There is so much to say. Hey, it isn't it accidental that we met? Your love is something that I can't forget. So I wandered your way. Hey, if one of us won't try to dry the tears, tomorrow is a world of yesterdays. Let us live for today. Hey, although we play the game of love and lust, I wouldn't change a single dream because if you lose, you must pay. It's true, I've had so many other loves to share, but I would close my eyes and you'd be there. No matter where I go, you are everywhere. Hey, hey, if you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to live if you are there to give your love to me. Hey, don't let me spend another day alone. Remember all the happiness we've known. Let's relive yesterday. Hey, we've known a world of loneliness and pain. We'll never make the same mistakes again. If only you'll stay. It's true, I've had so many other loves to share, but I would close my eyes and you'll be there. No matter where I go, you are everywhere. Hey, hey, if you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to live if you are there, to be with you
Well, ito mga rudan kagayam tinakabuklan na di programa tayo itang malam. Thank you manan. Itingkay panarabay sa pelo kumata na liwliwada kayo raya pagkanito lang. Walang sublit programa tayo ito nabigat. Hindi kasi malang oras. Kaya nandito ito yung estasyon tayo. DZTP Radio Tirad Pas. Itakadwa tayo pumakadapan samantala. Dennis Abilionar. Ito na DZTP Digital TV and YouTube. Joe Maria Bob. Of course, sa timanan to'y piloto yung pagayam niyo tirangatang ken kanagitilang langalang. Your dear Manong June. Ayon, kakalwat tayo, keep safe everyone. Kaya tayo magkarkararag iti apo, at ibay-bayan, nagyaman. Yaman ka rin iti bendisyon ngayon papain na kada tayo itinaldawal daw, panakapili tayo amaben-bendisyonan. Nagbaling nga blessing ka rin do mga tatao. Padanan niyo warod ni Nick Barroga, di program na tanawagan. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye!